Jen Eden. I am back. If you've been following me a while, you know I am the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method and my new anti-inflammatory membership, the Freedom Membership. And I didn't say it before, but there's some link somewhere below this video for you to check out my work. And if you love how I teach and how I teach it, please come join us. We would love to help you get your health back. Now, today's topic is a hot one, especially for women, ages 40s to 60s. It's always, hey Jen, how much should I be exercising? And so I always say before I divulge all my wisdom from the last 20 years as a health coach, I would love it if you're not already a subscriber, if you would subscribe to my channel, if you find my tips and strategies super helpful in your life. Okay, so Jen, how much should I exercise? Probably not going to like me for this answer, but truthfully, it is the truth. I don't know. I don't know if your adrenals are blown out. I don't know if you're exhausted every day. I don't know your fitness level. But what I will say to the question of, Jen, how much should I exercise? What I do know is that you cannot go wrong exercising 3 to 4 days a week for about 30 minutes. Getting your heart rate up, you're starting to sweat. Yes, I always say you'll know your heart rate is up and you're in fat burning range when, as you're working out, you're not able to talk and you're like this. Now, I'm not saying you can't talk at all and you're like, oh, I'm gonna pass out, but you're in this fat burning range when you're trying to catch your breath and you sound like this. No joke, true story, look it up. That is fat burning range. I also know specifically for women 40s to 60s, not only is it working out 30-ish minutes a week, three to 4 times a week, but I also need you doing weight-bearing exercises, yes? Not just going for a stroll. Definitely not doing some CrossFit, yeah? Where you're killing yourself and straining muscles, and gosh, women come see us and always say, oh, I pulled out something, I pulled a shoulder, I pulled my back out, now I'm in rehab for 6 to 8 weeks. Strength training. And what that means is you're working your muscles and you're progressively getting stronger. So if 5-pound weight right now for your beautiful biceps strains your muscles, right, and you feel resistance, then 5 pounds is the right amount for you. I am personally at about 17.5 pounds for my biceps. I do that twice a week, 4 sets of 10 reps. My trainer helps me understand this. She's actually our trainer in the Sugar Freedom Method. But she talks about progressively getting stronger. And so if you start at 5 or 15, I don't really care. What I care about is that your body is stretching itself and having resistance at the weight you're using. Yes? If you then work up to 10, or you're talking to me now and you're at 10 pounds, well then you should be, as the weeks go on, be at 12 pounds for biceps, 15 pounds, etc., etc. Does that make sense? If not, leave me a comment. But it's not about how much weight you lift. It is about the fact that your body is feeling the resistance from the weight. And when it's no longer feeling the resistance, my friends, well, your muscles aren't growing. Okay, if it doesn't challenge us, it doesn't change us. So to recap, about 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. I personally do 5 to 6. I do, it makes my body feel good. The other day I'll hike or I'll take off the day and just do nothing, which is also very important to do. And I do strength training, weight-bearing exercises because I'm almost 50 and my body requires it. So I hope that made super sense and it's helpful, and you will take my tools and strategies and use them to better your life this week. And as always, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you find what I teach helpful, please subscribe. I'd love to stay in touch, and I'll talk to you soon.